What's up everyone, Jake's Aviation here, and today we're back with another model unboxing video. It's been a while, I'm sorry, been busy. Semester started back, it's final semester, so it's the final countdown. But anyways, I've also been kind of saving up a couple models that I've gotten in the past couple weeks just to make a video with multiple aircraft instead of just one by one. Anyways, as you can see in front of you, or in front of me, there are three models. We have the Panda Southwest 737-700 and the new Heart livery, new livery. This is the splits. This is a RM Models exclusive that I got. Then we have the Phoenix Models Air France 777-300ER, and then the Phoenix Models Kalitta Air 747 Freighter. Right there, the all white one with the just a small Kalitta Air titles. Alrighty, so starting off, we're gonna start off with the small little Southwest one first, and we're gonna get to the big boys afterwards. So yeah, super excited to have this. I only picked up one. I missed the first round. They released a different one with a different registration. But both for RM Models exclusives. So, you know, there's the box. There's some of the information right there. Picture, everything like that. So, yeah, there's really no indication that this is Panda Models. There's no like Panda Models logo on it or anything, but that's what it is. And here's the model packaging. Super excited. I was able to get one of these. Looks absolutely gorgeous. All in one piece. Looking really nice. Super excited. So let's go ahead here and open her up. Oh, not bad on the focus there, guys. Alright, there we go. Oh, wow. What a beautiful model. Panda Models does a good job with their models, so let's go ahead and zoom on in here. Readjust the camera just a little bit. Alrighty, so here you have it, guys. The Panda Models Southwest 737-700 with splits in the new Heart livery. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This mold is fantastic. If you ask me, it looks really, really nice. I think the front gear is a little high because I don't know, most 737s have a slight tilt downwards at the front, like a nose, slight sort of gradient down. But overall, it looks really nice. This is obviously not a special livery, so there's not a whole lot to go through. But just starting here, we have the cockpit windows. Not bad. I thought they would focus. There we go. Alright, so there we have it. It's a gear door. It says, can't read what that says. It says, oh yeah. So it has 7855 on the gear door there. The gear, you got the cockpit windows there. Some nice little details around that, on the nose cone. L1, a little heart logo there. Southwest titles, looking very nice. Got the nice antenna on the bottom there. Engines with southwest.com, but looking very nice. And then you have the splits, the winglets right there. Won't focus today. That's annoying. But they're looking real nice. Surprised it won't focus. There we go. Looking really, really nice there with the nice colors on it. We'll go ahead and turn it on the inside. There, that's what it looks like on the inside. Full focus. There we go. No southwest.com or anything. But you can see it on the inside there. Looking really nice. Just kind of moving along then. Got the emergency exit over the wing. Antenna, Wi-Fi, registration, American flag, 7 7855 Alpha. And then you have 7855 right there again. And looking really nice. And then the tail. Plain and simple. Looking at the back, you know, very nice. The gear. Looks like there's a little crooked there on that gear. That's fine. No big deal. Overall, sorry for the noise upstairs. Or the noise. Noisy neighbors upstairs. Anyway, then on this side, got the baggage doors. Like that. So, overall, really nice. And then this engine here is Southwest.com. This looks like it's tilted up a little bit. No big deal. Could always be. Hopefully I could probably adjust that. But looking at it, yeah, you can see that this left one is tilted up just a little bit. But overall, a very, very nice model. Great mold. As I say, the nose is a tad bit high, so that's something I feel like they could improve on, if anything. But still, I think this is a better mold, a better like quality model than like a Gemini Jets one, in my opinion. But overall, a very, very nice model. Very happy to have this. So yeah, let's put this aside. We'll move on to the other models, the heavies. So we're gonna start with the 747. You know what? We'll start with that. So I'm just gonna adjust this a little bit here. Just bring it up a little bit. There we go. All right. So Kalitta 747 400 freighter, Phoenix models, registration 712 Charlie Kilo CK. Beautiful box, beautiful picture. Phoenix models always does a good job with that. Here you have it, the side, top, the back, and there you go. No Phoenix models logo or anything, so you really wouldn't know it's Phoenix models, but yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox this model. Very obviously all white model, so there's not gonna be a whole lot to go through, guys. But we'll just take a look at it anyway. It'll just be a quick review. I'm really happy to be building up my cargo fleet, especially with Kalittas. I have the Kalitta mask one, and I'd love to get a normal one. I think they did release, someone released one. I don't know if I'll be able to get it or not, but alrighty. Let's put this aside here. Pull this in. Alright. Don't worry, it's not lean, it's just how heavy it is on the box. It's not actually like that, tilted like that in reality. If I sit it flat, it's nice and flat. Oh, actually it does have a little bit of a tail heaviness to it, which is interesting. And we'll sit it there like that, and we'll take a look here. So, zooming in, got some nice details around the nose there. This one obviously has a opening nose door. This isn't an interactive series. Phoenix models doesn't have that. But yeah, some nice details there, obviously for where the nose would open up. Cockpit, got some nice, I got that little over, the little hatch up top there. So looking nice. A little hatch right on the top there. You got the registry, or well, 712 down there on the gear door. You got this little Japan Airlines logo there. This aircraft, I believe, was at one point and still kind of from time to time operates for Japan Air cargo. I know when I purchased it, like it was sort of labeled as that. I feel like it's just they just have. I don't know much about that, but there's probably an agreement where this aircraft is used for some of their routes from time to time. But it does fly in the U.S. and stuff a lot. It mainly flies the Kalitta routes, so it's been to L.A. Recently, that sort of stuff, and flying in and out of Cincinnati, Anchorage, over to Asia and whatnot. Does some European stuff from time to time too. But anyway, just moving along. Got those little windows up there. That's where like the crew, basically the crew rest area and galley sort of stuff. Got that antenna at the top there. Kalitta titles right there. And the engines. Just plain white. Nothing fancy there at all. The wing looking nice. Just a plain white wingtip and everything. And kind of moving back. You have the main deck cargo door there at the back. 712 Charlie Kilo, and that's about it. And then the aft door there. white tail. Spin it around, take a look at it head on. Gear look great. Cargo door on this side for the belly cargo, little baggage door, and aft cargo door. So yeah, engines and wing on this side looking good too. Again, I know it's it looks like it's leaning. It's just because of the box. But there's something to note that it does have a tendency to tip down a little bit, so you can see that it's kind of tipping backwards a little bit, which is interesting. But it is obviously it's heavy. That's what the underneath looks like. It's all white. Nothing fancy, gears looking good. But yeah, that's actually pretty much it for this model, guys. There's not really anything else to go over. Obviously it's got antennas and everything, so that's nice. But Venus models, good mold, cool aircraft. It's all white, pretty plain and boring. But you know, it's nice to have another cargo aircraft to the fleet, building up that cargo collection. All right, and finally we will move along to the last aircraft, which will be the Air France 777. So this one, registration, again, it's Phoenix, registration Foxtrot, Golf, Zulu, November, Delta, FGZ, and D. Something to note, picked this one up. This is one of the new releases, I believe, from last month, or might be July, not August. I think it's either July or August. Anyway, the titles, this is the updated one. So the titles, the Air France titles have been updated a little bit. I was looking around the beginning of this year, they started updating some of the small alteration to the titles, making them a little bit larger, and this has kind of been positioned in a little bit different. It's been positioned back a little bit, as opposed to the old livery, which is the old titles, which are a little bit more forward. I have another Air France 333. It's buried in its box. It's buried in a container with other models. So I didn't pull it out to do a comparison, but it's really not that much. I just know that if you look online, you can kind of throw two pictures side by side and you'll see there's a slight difference. But a lot of these triples have been repainted in the past several months to have this sort of updated titles and whatnot, and obviously just overall get a fresh coat of paint. So we're just going to go ahead and unbox this and check it out. At the back, Paris, looking really nice. Eiffel Tower, museum, and this little picture right here. It's cool. So yeah, let's take a look at the model. Alright, so here we have the model. Looking absolutely beautiful. So 2 Air France 777s, that's always a good thing because LA usually gets 2. So not gonna complain about having more than one. And this is obviously with the updated title, so it's more accurate. I don't know if they're actually getting all of them updated. I'm sure over time they're gonna have them all updated. But yeah. Alrighty, put this aside. There we have it, guys. So, alright. So, here we go. Got the little Sky Team there, logo, cockpit windows, November Delta there on the gear door, L1, some little signage right there next to the door. I'm not sure what that says. Got the name of the aircraft right there, I believe. I am not going to attempt to pronounce that because I am not French, so I don't want to butcher it, but there we go. And then you have the Air France titles. Got a lot of nice little markings and details all in this area here, which is really nice. I think that's really cool. Just moving along, got the antenna, L2, and then L3 overwing exit. The engine's looking really nice. Sky Team logo on it, some nice details there. Moving along with the gear, the wing, and back L4 and then L5. Registration there. Again, Sky Team logo right there, and then Boeing 777-300ER. And a little marking right back there, which I'm actually not sure what that says. Oh, it's Air France. It reads Air France KLM. So obviously they're partners. So yeah, that's this side, and then you have the tail looking nice. Turn it around. Same thing on this side. And gear, obviously the difference is the cargo door, forward and aft, and then the little baggage door at the back there. Got your antennas and Wi-Fi, the satellite box, and everything. So looking really nice. The little red antenna at the bottom there. G90 is looking really nice. They're also you can see the fan blades and you can see through, which is really cool. Phoenix models there, 777 mold, really nice. Top notch. I'd say Aviation 400 does top it, but this is very close, very nice. You can see that gear, the front gear is a little slightly crooked, but no big deal at all. Overall, a very, very nice model. Just something to show. So we look at it. So there is the overwing exit markings, really nice, and then underneath, just plain white belly. So nothing to show there. It would be nice if Air France added like a Air France on the bottom, something like that. But anyways, so that's gonna do it, guys. The 3 models. Actually, let me just fix this box up here real quick, so we can display them all nicely here. So there we have it, guys. 3 awesome models, 747, 777, and 737, all Boeing. Highly recommend all 3 if you can get them. I believe the Kalitta and Air France you'll probably be able to get those easier than this Panda models. I'm sure it's probably sold out, and if it's on eBay, it's probably gonna be really expensive because it's a really nice model, and it's also rare, and it was limited edition in terms of it was a RM model store exclusive. I got these 2 from Eztoys, by the way. So yeah, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more MUL unboxing videos, and starting back up with some spotting videos as well, coming soon. So hope you all enjoy, and stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. See you.